the truth and the denial of the truth. In society, truth and denial of truth are things generated irrationally. Usually the term negationism is used, and what is it? In short, it is to deny scientifically proven facts. But what is scientific proof? It is using the physical laws that generate a response, whether to heal or to harm. See that the truth exposed here is the truth linked to physical laws, ignoring factors of any social concept. And negationism is directly linked to the social concept, that the reality of each one is their belief. Enter the scientific test, based on Descartes' concepts, and basically Nietzsche's concept, in terms of points of view. Organized societies, determines the physically proven as true. In fact, the physical concept is the real proof and the final concept. Social concepts, or diversities of social positions, exist as long as the laws do not define that they must match physical laws. At the end of every analysis, the physical laws are the real ones. And reality is imposed on society, when the political system defines what it should be. While plastic bags and plastic straws are not prohibited by political laws, they are accepted as correct. But that does not mean that they are not polluting. And so when pollution reaches worrying levels, political law is usually required. The truth existed before political law was enacted. In other words, plastics pollute nature. It is not because social concepts define that the plastic bag pollutes, that it begins to pollute through social decision. It pollutes regardless of the human concept. Thus to deny physical norms, by social ideologies, is negationism. The point is that society accepts some denials as truth, and other denials as lies, which makes physical laws merely a specific excuse to condemn an individual who is not in the opinion of the majority. But the opinion of the majority also denies physical truths, when they are contrary to the dominant social concept. And violating the dominant social concept, even though physical laws define that the social concept is wrong, it carries the same condemnation as the denialist of science. What again we have that the real concept for society is merely the social will, and the use of science is not merely a detail, or an excuse. We usually have the question of the so-called law of the strongest. At the end of the whole line for defining the strongest, we have that the physical law is the strongest. So if man violates the physical laws greatly, in the end, the physical laws will extinguish the human being.
If you are looking for more content from different areas, visit the reformadorstacog.com website. News and detailed content can be found with system of research and organization of text and video.